Fabrication shops can be messy, cramped places, and hauling around heavy gear is nobody's idea of a good time. So when a magnetic drill manages to combine serious muscle with a surprisingly manageable frame, people tend to take notice. That is pretty much the reputation this particular unit has built on the shop floor. It handles up to 1.5 inch by 2-inch cuts without breaking a sweat, which explains why so many metalworkers lean on it day in and day out. Picking it up, what hits you first is how well balanced the housing feels in the hand. It is nimble enough for awkward angles, yet heavy-duty enough where it counts. One clever touch is how they routed the motor cord. By keeping it tucked away inside the housing, it completely dodges the usual snag hazards that plague workshop tools. Then there is the drive system. Instead of fighting with traditional setups, the slot drive arbor lets users swap out accessories in seconds, adding a nice bit of flow to a busy workday. Now, visibility can be a real headache in dark corners of a project, but the built-in LED pilot light actually cuts through the shadows quite well, making alignment a lot less of a guessing game. Safety gets a solid nod too, featuring a lift detector system that instantly cuts power if the magnetic hold ever gets compromised. Still, it is worth pointing out a minor quirk. The listing mentions fuel-powered, but make no mistake, this is strictly a 115-volt electric machine, so keeping an extension cord handy is a must. Also, running at 450 RPM means it favors torque and control over sheer speed, which is great for thick steel, but don't expect it to race through lighter materials. At around 6 amps, it draws a steady, predictable load without tripping breakers every time it bites into metal. All things considered, if heavy structural fabrication is a regular part of the routine, this magnetic drill earns its keep in the back of the truck without asking for too much fuss in return.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.